Hello everyone, welcome to the training videos of Yajamani POS system. In this video, we will see how to make stock adjustment. Okay, so first of all, you have to log in with your credentials. Okay, and then go to home screen. Before making stock adjustments, let's check which product you are going to make a stock adjustment. So go to list products, and here there will all be all the available products at your business location. Okay, and here you have to choose you have to see which product you want to make a stock adjustment. So for that, let me say, for example, I will filter it to mobiles, and I want to make a stock adjustment to OnePlus. Okay, and in my stock 38 pieces are there. Current stock is 38 pieces. Okay, so just remember that, and then go to stock adjustment, and then go to list stock adjustment. So here you will see the list of stock adjustments done at your particular business location. So until now we haven't done any stock adjustment. We will do one. Go to add and click on add, and then here you have to select the business location all in one, and here reference number, if you have any reference number you can give it, or else leave it blank. And then here the adjustment type. Here the adjustment type, there are generally there will be two types of adjustments. One is a normal and abnormal, and if you don't know the meaning of both, then you can simply put cursor on this help icon, and you can see normal means adjustment for normal reasons like leakage or damage. Abnormal means adjustment for reasons like fire and accident. Okay, so let me say, for example, due to damage I want to make adjustment for this OnePlus product. Here you have to search the product. So I am choosing OnePlus. Okay, and here you have to give the quantity. Let's say, for example, 2 pieces. Okay, and then the total amount will be 1,10,000 rupees. And here you have to mention the total amount recovered. Okay, so whatever the amount recovered from insurance, or selling of scraps, or different parts from that OnePlus mobile phone, so you have to enter that amount here. So let's say, for example, out of 1,10,000 I received 80,000 rupees. Okay, and here you can mention the reason, like adjustment due to damage. Okay, or you can say it as damage. Okay, and then here you have to save. So then here you will get a list like with the date, reference number, location, type, amount recovered, and the reason and added by. Okay, and here you can simply take an action against this, like view and delete. So if you click on view, you can view the details of this stock adjustment. Okay, and you can take a print also. So now we will go back to products and go to list product, and we will filter it to mobiles, and then go to OnePlus, and here the OnePlus stock is 36 pieces, because 2 pieces have been reduced from the current stock due to this stock adjustment. So the main point here is, whenever you do the stock adjustment, then automatically the current stock at your particular business location will be reduced by that number. Okay, so this is how you can take advantage of this stock adjustment by using Yajamani POS system. That's it. Thank you for listening and watching.